Good morning, everybody, and this is your Euro USD setups for today. Uh, fine. We are waiting for the Feds. There's no two ways about that. I don't really have a clear 8-hour bit of structure here. I suppose hindsight being a perfect science. That double bottom back in on the 15th of January was probably the closest. We did have a bit of a gap there as well. But there is absolutely no clear structure at the moment. So this has been moving up. This does look like a flag, but we do have a crossover here of the moving averages, and we are in between the 150 EMA and our faster moving averages. So I wouldn't classify that as a flag at the moment. So for me, this is a bit of a confused state. We are in a fairly strong area of support at 108,500. 108,500 is like slap bang in the middle there. And that's kind of what we are testing. Now, we are waiting for the Feds. There's no two ways about it. When you look at this on the 3 hour, there's been a break of moving averages. We're coming back to test. And just want to put another 2 levels in, and by the time I finish, it's going to be hundreds of levels. Just shows you the confusion. So yesterday you can see pin bar off this level to the left, which is 108,446 and 108,550. So 108,500 area was what it was looking for, and we did bounce a little bit yesterday. Problem that I have with this entire setup is that we are below all the moving averages on the 3 hour. This indicates to me that there is potential for a downward trend. So that would mean strong dollar. Only thing that's going to drive that is going to be a negative view from the Feds tonight. So that would be that they are not going to be cutting rates until next year or something along that lines. If the Feds come out with a positive song and dance, then this will flip into a flag, bounce up, or jump up, turn around, find structure, find support, and then continue. So that's kind of the outlook that I've got there on the 3 hour. And if you look at this on the hour, we've been trending down below the 150. So technically on this hour time frame, we should still be looking for shorts. I don't trust this though. If you picture this on the daily, we opened up here, big down, big up. That's a fairly big pin bar off 108.50. So that's a fairly big rejection bar, and that, if you look at it there, indicates that you should be paying attention to 108.760, and that is exactly what I will be doing. So when you drill down to 15 minutes, you can see you've got the crossover. We're in amongst the moving averages here, so I don't really want to be playing with this when we are like this. So when you look at it on the hour, you can see in amongst the moving averages below the 150 EMA at the moment. So the trend is down, 3 hour trend is down. But the only thing that is going to start flipping this into a bullish trend is a break above 108.759. So there is bullish, well, there are a few little bullish setups, but there are also quite a few bearish setups. So I will be waiting for the data still. So it's still sit on hands for me, not really interested in any of the indexes or forex markets for that matter. We need to wait for whatever noise comes out, and then if it's negative noise, you need to wait for the levels here to break and retest and move down. I still think it's not going to be a long-term trend to the downside. I think the dollar has done its move. I think it's basically we were just waiting for some excuse for the dollar to fall. And this level to the upside is 108.760. That is the area that I would be paying attention to. So break that. I want a proper break and rally up, and then I want us to pull back and find structure. That would be the only opportunity that I see. Lastly, on the 15-minute, this is looking like a cup and handle. Here's your handle, here's your cup. But yeah, not really interested in this until the Feds are finished with their song and dance. So another day of waiting, but that's how it goes sometimes, especially when we are relying on one person to tell us what's going to happen. So that's kind of my view for this morning. I hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.